Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex doesn't matter that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody gives me no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome people, it's Decor Chrissy and we're back at it with another video. I'm actually not sure if this is going to be a separate like haul video or if I'm just going to attach this to the vlog, but however it works out, it works out. If you are a new viewer, thank you guys so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as click that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. Join the K Styler squad. All right, I have a little house decor haul for you guys. It's like a seasonal decor haul slash a few, you know, little essentials that me and Nick picked up, and I'm super excited to share them with you guys. I'm trying to get into this whole seasonal, you know, spirit. I love Christmas, so I decided why not pick up a few things for Christmas. I will be changing out my like Christmas colors this year, so I have a few things that are catering or gearing more towards those colors and stuff like that. So let's just dive into this haul. That I picked up will be from Hobby Lobby. I got some stuff from Marshall's and Michael's. So those were the three places that I got these items. As I tell you guys, or as I show you the items, I'll tell you guys where I picked them up. And Hobby Lobby was having a 66% off sale for fall decor items and a 50% off sale for Christmas items. So I did get a few stuff that I felt like I would need this year, and I still have like one more thing to pick up, but I feel like I can probably find that at the dollar store. If not, I might have to go back to Michael's, which is totally fine. I also got some pine cones, a pack of pine cones to help with, you know, just decor around the house when Christmas comes, as well as some other Christmas decor items. So I got this little snowman, which you can kind of like sit down and his feet hangs off and his head bobs, which I thought was pretty cute. It was pretty neat. So we got that, as well as this green sculpture Christmas tree, which I think it's super nice. So we're gonna just put these around the house somewhere and, you know, add a little oomph there, oomph there. And I also got this nice little centerpiece, which I'm probably gonna put on the dining table. I don't know where we're gonna put stuff yet, but we'll figure it out. But this is what she looks like. So she has some poinsettias in her, some little ornaments, which I'm wondering if I can like switch out these ornaments if I choose to. Probably can, but we'll figure that out as, you know, we're playing around. And I actually like the vase of it too. It's pretty nice. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I feel like it was a nice little arrangement that could go, you know, anywhere. It's not too big, and I can always like stick more things in it. So that's that. And I also got some ribbons for the tree. I'm thinking about doing red and gold this year with not much green, except from maybe, you know, the color of the tree. And yeah, pretty much. I'm not trying to do a lot of green this year. So I got some ribbons, some gold and some red, which we're gonna just play around with and see what works with what. And I'm also trying to make a garland for the fireplace. So I also picked up some stuff from like Michael's. I got some hooks, and I got some tiny little Christmas ornaments. It is like red, green, and gold. And I'm just gonna play around with those with some, you know, greenery. And also I did get some, are these like cherries? I did get some of these because I want to kind of cut them off and like glue slash stick them in like the garland that I'm gonna make. So, you know, it's kind of like customizable. But I'll definitely show you guys that garland when it is complete. But that's what I picked up from Michael's. Really quick stuff. But continuing with the Hobby Lobby haul, I got some ornaments because we needed some new ones. So I just picked up some red and gold ones, which, you know, just some basic simple stuff. And I also got this gingerbread house because I am gonna have like a Christmas party and we will be having a gingerbread house competition. So I picked up like 2 packs so we could, like, you know, hash it out. So I'm super excited for that. I've actually never done a gingerbread house before, so I'm happy. At Marshall's, we did pick up a few things as well. And that is these nomies. We have a couple nomies, you know what I'm saying? So we have this Christmassy one with a little hot chocolate, a hot cocoa, and we have another one, a little smaller one. And this is what he looks like with his just little sticks, like he's about to go skiing or something. But we're probably gonna put these like on the fireplace, you know, do a little design or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do. This one actually has a little bell, and you can actually bend his little hat. The other one does not have any wires. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the seasonal items. Right now, we are moving on to just some basic home stuff. And the first thing is this DW Sandalwood and Myrrh room spray. It is a room and linen spray. I think the bottle is sleek. It's nice for decor piece. And I actually do like this smell. So so yeah, I actually have another spray in this scent, but it's just in a can, not like a glass bottle. But yeah, I love these. Like, you can go to Marshall's, get really nice like spraying scent candles, as well as just like oils that smell really good, and they come in really nice packaging. So these are always good for, you know, decor pieces, as well as, you know, just around the house if you want it to like smell good and so forth. The next item is this kitchen scrub brush. I thought this was cute with a little wood, you know, and we actually do need a harder scrub separate than just the, like, you know, the Scotch-Brite that we use. Do Americans know Scotch-Brite? Is that what? I don't even know if that what y'all use, but whatever you use to wash the plates, a little sponge, that's what I'm talking about. We needed a harder one for like the pots and to get all the, you know, sticky foods out or whatever. That's what we needed that for. So yeah, and we needed a new sink catcher or strainer, so we picked one up as well. And we also got, which I'm super excited about, we also got a cheese set. It's a cheese tool set. So, you know, when you have your charcuterie board and stuff like that. And I feel like you can even use it for like fruits, like a fruit plate, veggie platter, like, you know, whatever little finger food or whatever. I feel like it's a multi-use, you know, multifunctional use. It has like a fork in there. So it has like a cutter and just like a, what do you call it? We can use it to like a picker upper. Something like a spatula. It's kind of like a spatula, but I don't know if that's what they actually call it on this. But this would also make a nice little gift. It was kind of wrapped, but it's like unraveling right now. But yeah, so we picked this up. Hold on. Let's see if I can show it to you better. So this is pretty much what it looks like. So she has the little forky knife looking thing, which is like a knife cut, I'm assuming. But I'm also trying to see if it tells you what's in it, which it doesn't. So the last 2 items that I'm going to be showing you guys is this cutting board, this wood cutting board. We did need a new cutting board, so we picked this one up. Super nice, thick, got a good weight to it, and it's wood, so we love it. And the last item is this 3-tier shelf that we are going to be using for our seasonings, just for better organization, layout, and stuff like that. this is pretty much what it looks like. It's pretty simple. Nick kind of made one in there, but it's like a smaller one. So with this and that one, I feel like our seasonal cabinet will be way better. So yeah, this is pretty much what she looks like, and that is pretty much it for this haul. I kind of went through this really quickly because I'm not trying to make like a 20-minute video. But I hope you guys saw some things that you did like, and I hope you guys definitely go to your local, you know, stores if you feel like you do need an update on your, you know, seasonal pieces, items, or just get some everyday essential stuff. Definitely go and check out your local spots because, listen, Hobby Lobby right now is like my best friend because it's going to see me. You know what I'm saying? It's going to see me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay positive and let life surprise you because it will. Anyways, it's your girl Chrissy and I am signing out.